Let's have a short discussion on word formation in English. As we all know, English language has adopted a lot many methods in creating new words to its existing vocabulary. And these methods would further help in enriching the vocabulary, and this would of course help in establishing English language as a whole. Let us look at certain practical methods wherein we have been using on a daily basis. These are the 8 methods of word formation which we are going to discuss today. The first method is affixation. We have compounding, portmanteau words, conversion, clipping, acronyms and initialisms, coinage, and onomatopoeia. Let's have a look at affixation first. Affixation is nothing but either adding a prefix or a suffix, sometimes both, to create a new word. Say, for example, the word right. If you add the prefix re to the word right, we'll get rewrite. To the word fair, if you add unfair, we got an entirely different meaning. Fair, unfair. We created an opposite word by adding a prefix. We have let's say the word happy or happiness. We are adding suffix quick. By adding ly we have quickly. This is one such method, affixation, wherein we will be either adding a prefix or a suffix to a word, a root word, to create an entirely different word. Sometimes opposite meaning, sometimes we would change the part of speech. Moving on to the next word formation method, which is compounding. Compounding is nothing but we combine 2 or more words to create a new word. Say, for example, the word laptop. Lap has an entirely different meaning. Top has an entirely different meaning. But when we juxtapose these two, we got a different product, laptop. Blackboard, it's a compound word. Snowfall. This is another method, compounding. Next method, portmanteau words. We are quite familiar to this method and we use it very frequently in our day-to-day conversations. Portmanteau words are nothing but blended words wherein we add segments, parts of 2 different words by retaining its meaning. Let's say the example, brunch. We have breakfast plus lunch, and put together we have brunch. Bromance, netiquette, smog, motel. These are the examples of portmanteau words, and this portmanteau words, the concept of portmanteau words was coined by Lewis Carroll in Through the Looking Glass, and that first portmanteau word is slithy, which is a combination of slimy and litty. So yeah, we have enough examples given over here. Just remember, portmanteau words are created out of 2 entirely different words, but we retain the meaning in the final result. Moving on to the next method, which is conversion. In conversion, what we actually do is we will be converting, we will retain the spelling, everything, but we will be changing the parts of speech. Say, for example, um, Google. We all know the word Google as a company or Google as a noun, but we can even convert that as a verb. Do Google this particular idea. There we are using it as a verb. Clean, the concept of cleanliness or clean, or that's a clean room. There it works as an adjective, but the same thing can be used as a verb, to clean as a 2 plus verb kind. So this is conversion. We will be changing a word's grammatical category without altering its form. It's nothing but conversion. The next word formation method is clipping. Clipping is we will be shortening a longer word by retaining its original meaning. For example, gym. We hardly say gymnasium. We prefer to say gym, or we prefer to say ad instead of advertisement. Clipping is another commonly used word formation technique. We rarely understand this as this is a this particular word formation technique, but we use it on a day-to-day scenario. Acronyms. We will be forming words from the initial letters of certain phrases or words like NASA, FBI. Coinage. From time immemorial onwards, we have so many words coined in English language, and we know William Shakespeare had coined n number of words in English vocabulary, even we use today. And you need a certain scholarship in coining a word, and to continue using the meaning, and to retain the word in English as such worldwide is quite remarkable a thing. And yeah, say for example, selfie, binge watch, unfriend. In the field of social media, technology, and all, we come across so many new words, coinages. So we will be inventing completely new words, often for brands or for new interventions or inventions. Yeah, that's another word formation technique or method. And finally, we have onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is nothing but we create words which imitates natural sounds which is associated to it. How actually it happens in the nature, similar to its sound, we create a word, and if we attribute this particular word, and the meaning is the same. For example, splash, splash of water, or bus, bee bus, the actual sound, or sneeze, the act of sneezing, and the sound and the word which we create, thud, thud sound. This is another method where we form words. These are the 8 word formation methods which we just discussed today. There are many more techniques existing. All we have to do is to enrich our vocabulary, whatever be the method which we employ, which we use to present or to speak or write in English with variety, is a matter of expertise, matter of familiarity, matter of practice. So do use unique words in the apt context frequently, so that your language will be rich with words and will be presentable. Keep going. Happy learning. Thank you.